Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Levion, and on this channel we like to vibe a little bit, keep it cozy, keep it calm, keep it confident, you know, and just do what we do. So if that's your vibe, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. So in today's video, we will be putting up the Christmas tree. I don't think I'm gonna decorate it just yet. I love like a bare tree, especially the ones with the lights on there already. So I'm gonna sit and appreciate that for a little bit before we start decorating. I want to start decorating maybe like close to December, but I do want to set the vibe, set the winter tone, and put up the tree. I am just so excited and very pleased with the way downstairs is coming along. If you've been with me since day one, y'all remember downstairs was like a complete mess. It was empty. It was like storage. It just was not together, and for the longest time I did not know, or we did not know what we wanted to do down there. So to kind of like see it all coming together now, it just makes me tear up. It's making me smile. So I am super excited about that. So I just came back from running some errands, doing a little grocery shopping. So my plan for Thanksgiving, I wanted to like start a new tradition, and I wanted to go out like to a Thanksgiving buffet. I've heard that they were like really good, but y'all ain't tell me I had to RSVP like a year before. I looked up this location. It was called the Black Barn and Lodge, but it looks like your girl will be cooking once again. They do offer, well, I know a lot of different restaurants offer like takeout, like Thanksgiving to go, but I felt like, you know, since I can cook a little bit, I might as well just cook. Y'all, I got my cheeses, my macaroni, my sweet potatoes, so I can like already taste, my mouth is like salivating. Already taste the mac and cheese with the sweet potato juice and the little bit of sauerkraut just hitting my tongue, my taste buds. I'm kind of excited for it. So I'll be, you know, starting to cook. It is what, Friday? So Thanksgiving is like next week. So yes, time to get to cooking, get to prepping. You are cooking on Thanksgiving, or you're used to cooking on Thanksgiving. Y'all know I am behind. I probably should have got my groceries last week and then this week start prepping my stuff. So I'm a little bit behind, but that's all right. Yeah, so this vlog is going to be like a nice chill vlog. Like I said, we're getting the Christmas tree up, we're vibing, we're having a good time. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Now, I didn't purchase a lot of stuff because I'm not cooking for a lot of people, but like, how do you cook a little bit of food for Thanksgiving? Like, that's going to be a struggle. So I only got like 5 potatoes. My mashed potatoes are like so delicious, so I feel like I have to make some mashed potatoes. I got some sweet potatoes. I only got this is about what, 6 or so. My husband was saying he wants to try to make some pie, so I'll probably have to go back to the store and get more sweet potatoes. I've got my green bell pepper, my sausage, my cheeses. Now I don't know, like what y'all, now I don't know if I want to make a turkey or turkey wings. Now I know like a lot of people are like opting for just turkey wings because the turkey is, you know, a lot, and they say that turkey be dry. My turkey ain't never been dry. Let's go ahead and put that on for the record. But I don't know, I usually do turkey wings for Christmas. I usually do like a glorified Sunday dinner for Christmas, and honestly this is probably going to be like a glorified Sunday dinner Thanksgiving as well. So I'm not sure. I don't know, I feel like I have to do a turkey. I've been following the Foodie Moody on TikTok, and I think she's also on Instagram, and she has this Cajun butter turkey. I've been doing that for the past 2 years now. If I do make a turkey, I'll probably make that recipe, and it's been coming out like so juicy, so moist. So Check her out if you're looking for a new recipe, a new turkey recipe. So yeah, so I'm gonna just start putting everything together. I have to make dinner. I am so sick of making dinner. I'm just gonna make some baked chicken real quick, some spinach, and we already have rice, so that'll be that. I typically don't even cook on Friday, but I'm like, all right, Friday, this will probably be the last meal that I do cook. So yeah, we just gonna have to make it do what it do until then. So yeah, so let me put all of this stuff away and I will holler back at y'all in a little bit. Cute tree.
That's not.
Hold on, I think this is the top.
That shit said
So maybe A, B, C.
yeah. I was wondering why the lights wasn't on now. See, that's why I had that on first. Put that on there.
So this one. Come on, girl. Yeah, it's the top part.
Okay. The most fakest tree. You can tell it's fake.
Girl. You gotta fluff it out. Fluff it. Why? I don't. Oh, that was it. The top part not connected.
The what?
Is the top part connected?
Hold it real quick.
Kelly, please don't
Press the button, Cal, see what's going on?
mess that box up because we have to.
Yeah, there we go.
So what does it connect once you put this in here? Oh yeah. I got to
Yeah, but why is this one not on though?
looks like it's not in.
It's just. There we go.
Move this shit.
What do you mean? about like a bare tree, especially when it looks like good and full like this. I love it. Yeah, well, not exactly, but. Y'all ever have something in your mind and you just know it's about to be banging and then it turns out to be like dookie? Oh my gosh, so that is what I'm experiencing. So I did decide to cook. I'm actually gonna prep tomorrow, but I wanted to like do a cute little minimal tablescape. I have the idea of like adding some dried hydrangeas with the tablecloth and some candles. Y'all, I tried it and it did not look right. Like, I hated it. I was so disappointed because I just had this idea in my mind and it just did not work out. I wanted to go with like some really warm fall tones. I had these napkins and I also wanted to just use things that I already had. I didn't really want to go out and purchase a whole bunch of things. I had these dinner napkins which I kind of like tied, and they were like this brown, like they were like this brown color. And then I had my little wine glasses and I did like the little bow ties on them. I thought that was just so cute. And my regular dinner plates I was going to use. And then I had so I was in my neighborhood and I got these dried hydrangeas. I didn't want to insert me actually trying to like put the daggone table together. Maybe y'all can have a little kiki off of that. But I had these beautiful hydrangeas like in my neighborhood, so I decided to use them. Brought them home, gave them a nice like soap and water bath, so you know I wouldn't bring in any bugs. And I decided to place them in this marble, I don't know, canister I think it is, that I use as a vase. And I wanted to like have them on the table with the tablecloth. I think the tablecloth that I got probably wasn't the best. What was it? The backdrop curtain that I decided to use probably wasn't the best on this glass table. Y'all was slipping and sliding and everything. I think I probably should have went with like a linen tablecloth, but yeah, it didn't work out. And then I had got these long taper candles from Hobby Lobby. They were $1.77 a piece. I also got like these crystal taper candle holders that I wanted to put on the table. Y'all, I just had this all in my head and it just did not work out. I didn't want to stress myself out. I gotta like start cooking and things like that, so we didn't have no time to stress. So I just used this little candle holder right here that I figured I would just like place on the table with the candles and just keep it super minimal and just make it do what it do. Like, my motto, my life saying is, it is what it is and it is going to be what it is. So yeah, I'm a little bummed out because I just knew that the table was going to turn out so cute. I put the little bows on the glasses. I used one of these yeah, this is the plastic one. I had my daughter with the plastic one because she's not gonna be breaking my glasses. And then I had some gold silverware that I was gonna incorporate in it, y'all. Did not turn out the best, so it is what it is. Happy Thanksgiving Eve, everyone. I hope you all are feeling amazing. I hope you all have started to prep your food if you are indeed cooking for the holiday. So I just came back from the store. Of course, there's always some last minute stuff that you just kind of like forgot to get. So I'm happy that I remembered while, you know, I'm happy that I remembered before I actually started cooking. I'm getting ready to start prepping my mac and cheese, my candied yams, my shrimp salad, I'm brining my turkey and leaving it in the refrigerator overnight. I will be cooking my collard greens. So excited, and you know, just looking forward to just enjoying some really good savory food. So I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.